Warning: this video contains flashing indicators and loud sounds that may be irritating or could trigger a seizure. If you have photosensitive or startle-induced epilepsy, I strongly recommend that you stop watching. Sincerely, Canada WX.
Because it doesn't get the... Oh, there we go! Here we go. Finally they issued it. After a week without one. Required weekly tests.
Environment Canada has a message to broadcast. This is a required
Is it
weekly
yellow?
test for QC0020.
Hey, there it is. It's yellow.
I repeat, this is a required weekly test for QC0020.
Okay,
Stop
that!
You just want to hear what's going to happen.
We're gonna check other stations too.
Shut up, bitch.
We
We don't give a fuck. Just give us what's going to happen.